Hi, this is Tony from A&R Boilers, members of the Engineer Team Network. And today's boiler we're going to be looking at is electric boiler, an unvented boiler. And this particular one, we're just going to be looking at the common faults on a electric unvented cylinder. Now, we're in an apartment, so a lot of these cylinders are in apartments all over the UK basically. We're in Manchester at the moment, so this is a typical installation. So I'm just going to look at some common problems with these units. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is the thermostats and immersion heaters. So that's one immersion heater, which is the top one, called the boost. And this is the bottom one, the overnight one. So I've just changed the thermostats. They're the old thermostats there on the floor. There's a thermostat there, the new one. And this bit here is the immersion heater here. So we can check the resistance of the immersion heater by just putting our multimeter across this point and this point. That will tell us what the readings are in homes. Round about 18 to 19 is a good reading, and that tells us that the immersion heat is okay. If you test it across here and you don't get no reading, it's one or two things: either the thermostat is broken or the immersion heater is open circuit inside here. So as I said, you can check there for that reading. The other problem what we got is the timer. There's a timer here. This is a Horseman Economy 7 timer, mechanical one. So what can happen if it's broke? You can rotate this dial here round till that light comes on there. If it doesn't come on after rotating this round, full rotation, then it's broken basically. So it's going to need a new one. So that's one of your other faults on this unit. So that's basically it on these particular units for electrical problems anyway. We'll have a quick look at the plumbing side of things. You've actually got, this is your pressure relief valve and this is your pressure reducing valve. This can give you problems, this can stop the flow of water coming through. You've also got this there, this is the temperature relief valve. And these can leak and let the pressure out, let the hot water out through this ton dish here. So that's just something to watch for as well. This particular unit's not in the best condition. You can tell it's been leaking in the past. But anyway, this is the principle of repairs on these particular units. That's the main stop tap coming in. So that's basically it on these electric unvented units. So if you've got any more queries, you can add a comment on the bottom or you can subscribe to our channel. So this is Tony from A&R Boilers, members of the Engineer Team Network, and I hope this was useful for you. Thank you.